Hello everyone, how to Toots back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add uh, URL shortener for Google Chrome extension in your Google Chrome. So this is really amazing extension. So how you need to, what you need to do now, simply tap here or click here three line and then go extension, visit Chrome Web Store. Then you will get the option here, search URL shortener for this is a feature, okay, Google Chrome, and you'll get the first option. There are many URL shortener, you can use any of them. I think this one is really amazing. So simply click here at to Chrome and add extension. It's really easy, and after that it will be added here. I'm just going to I'm just going to URL shortener. So now you can see the this is the thing. Just tiny URL, you will get the QR code. For example, if I want to copy this and click here and just okay, it's night version. So what you need to, you can copy and paste URL in this text box. So simply, okay, it's already copied. Okay, once you copy there, then you'll see here it's already copied. Then simply copy here and send anyone you want. Now you can see, and you'll get the same extension.